This video is about best match paint for a 1955 5.5 horsepower Johnson. The primary paint is a Rust-Oleum satin moss green color. That paint can be found at Home Depot for $4.27 a can. Next paint is a Rust-Oleum Gloss Protective Enamel Smoke Gray. And that color can be found at Home Depot for $4.27 a can. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!